Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you the tip on how you can fix the Bomova heated blanket F1 error, and if it's actually not working, what you can try to do. So plug it out of the outlet, wear it for 15 minutes, and then what you want to do, you just want to press and hold the power button, and when you're going to press and hold the power button, then put it back to the outlet and you want to hold the power button. So you just want to hold the button while you're going to plug it back to the outlet, and you want to hold, and maybe it's going to reboot, and maybe it's going to like fix the issue for you. So try it out, and I hope it's going to fix the issue. If not, I'm really sorry. I tried. I was also researching on how you can fix this issue, and this is something that I found, and maybe it's going to help you. So thank you very much for watching, and let me know below in the comments if it actually helped you, and if not, yeah, I'm sorry. And I hope you're gonna find the solution for it, because I know how frustrating it is when you're gonna buy a product and it's not working and you paid money for it. And even when it's not going to work for, like, let's say when you're gonna use it for 1 month. Crazy. And don't have any blanket on this blanket. This is like another thing. This is important. So have a great day and goodbye.